All right. So, good afternoon. Good morning. Sorry. Good morning to all my followers. This is Lotto channel, and today is Aseda Lotto Sunday. Aseda Lotto. I just developed. I just see or saw something very important that I think must come to our attention. I've just discovered some too show, very clear too show, and I'll show the plan. When I show the plan, I think you get to know uh, that it's also another terrific move. So let me just show you. The two show is very clear. You see, then I've decided to locate the other three numbers on the event. So we stick. So the two show is very very clear. It's 12 5 5. It's very very clear. You see. So look at this move. Look at this move. So you see the numbers are circled over here. This one, the double five is not part. This double five is not part. So this 20, 50, 61, 67, 56, 40. You see, they are doing something very, very important. So I saw this 20 followed by this 50, followed by this 61. So counting with you see 67, 56, and this 50 minus 10 will drop to center was row. So from center to center, from center to center. All right. Now from there, counting with you come and meet 7752. 7752. So when you meet that 7752, you realize that the 52 went from the 67 and dropped 15 the following week. 7752 dropped, but the 52 from the 67 dropped 15 the following week, and the 67 over here moved straight to machine. You see, it moves straight to machine. This is a move straight to machine. So when it moves to machine, I will not go over the plan again. No. So when it's the 7 moves to machine, Lotto is saying that the 7 that moved from here split into 52, 15, and then went to machine must split again back to 2740. You see, so we are to search for two numbers addition, 67 here. So what happened over here? The double 7 over here, you see the 50 here, the 50 that went minus 10 to 40. Subtract the 50 from this 50 from the double 7, we're getting 27. So that 27 plus of this 40 is addition of 67. This is 67. Therefore, take it as two show. Let me go over it again. So I'll go over this again. So very simple. You see, this. You see, so this is 7. We come and see double 7 with 52. You see, then follow with 15. So the 52 and 15 is the 67. So move the 67 to machine. You see, when you move to machine, you have to search for two numbers addition 67 again. So what do? Is this 50? If you subtract from this double 7, you'll be getting 27. So go and add the 27 to the 40 over here, and that is giving you the 67. You see, therefore 2740 came as 2 direct. So come and see the second move. Now, instead of there's 20 here, you see here there's 20 here, but there's 20 here, but we are leaving the 20 and we'll mark single 6. All right. So now I'll tell you why we have to mark the single 6 later. So follow week, you see this 65 followed by 18. You see, so counting weeks, you come and meet 56, 67, 56, 67, 56, 67, 56, 67. Then the 65 over here minus 10 from center to center. So like the way 50 minus 10 to 40 center was, here to the 65 minus 10, it will give you double 5 center was bang. You see, minus 5 center was bang. Now counting, you see, realize that double 752 drop again, double 752 drop again, double 752 drop again. So when they drop, what do you do? The 52 must go from the 57, 67 again to drop 15. So 52 from the 67 again to drop 15. You see. Now then after that you must move the 67 to machine again. This your 67 must move to machine again. No, so when it moves to machine, it must split into two numbers that will give you addition 67. So what do? You must go and subtract this 65 here, 65 here. Like the way this 50 from the double 7 here, it is 65. You see, from the double 7, it will give you 12. So if you go and add the 12 to this double 5, you should be getting 67. So your two direct, clear two direct is so 12 double 5 again. Double 65 minus 10 minus 10 will give you double 5. So 67 drop. Then double 5 went to machine. Counting with 50, double 7 52 drop. And the 52 went from 67 to drop 15. You see, and the following week the and then 67 moved to machine. So now the 67 must split into two numbers addition 67 again. And I'm saying that you are going to subtract this 65 from the double 7 and get 12. If you add a 12 to this double 5, you are getting that 67. Therefore 12 double 5 is 2 direct to this. 12 double 5 is 2 direct. 12 double 5 is 2 direct. So let me show you the three numbers. You see the first one, I said mark 20. And here there is 20 here, but I said ignore the 20 and mark 6. Why? This 20 from the double 7 is the 57 at last bus here. This 20 from the double 7 is the 57 at last bus here. So jump the 57. Jump the 57. So come here. Instead of 20, there's 6 over here. So the 6 from the double 7 will give you 71. This 6 from the double 7 will give you 71 at the last bus. Jump the 71. So I added it to it. Now, the other two numbers that I'm going to add are vice versa. You see, they are vice versa. So pay attention. You realize that when the double 752 drop over here, single 986 was in machine, single 986 was in machine here, and the two are here on the old event. So we are expecting two numbers from here on this event here. On the column of the double 752, we expect two numbers over there, and then to drop to this. So we are not going to just cherry pick. We are going to use a particular method to select the number that will come from that particular event. So what do? What I did was that I came here from the 67 over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I marked this 70. You see, so that's 70. This is the one over here. This is the one that I mark over here. Subtract it from the 70. You'll be getting single 9. If you get a single 9, write the single 9 down. Write it down. Write the single 9 down. Now, when you get a single, if you write a single 9 down, follow week after the 70, the 61 that you subtract from the 70, the 61 will come to machine. So you realize that 1, 2, 3, 4, that 61 came. You see? Alright. So the single 9 is there. So let's come to the second one. Now, the 18 you solve here. Count to the 67. 1, 2, 3, 4. You solve 56. So subtract this 18 from the 56. You're getting 38. So 38. So single 9 is equal to what? Map it. Single 9 is equal to 38. You understand it? Now, you realize that the first one, we subtracted this 61 from the 70 and got 9. And we moved the 61 to machine. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 61 came to position. So here, when you subtract the 18 from the 56 and got 38, you realize that following week, the 18 went to machine. 1, 2, 3, 4 came back to position, the same position. Now, when the double 752 dropped, the 38 was there. The 38 interchange position. The 38 rather was on that event over there. So now, when the double 752 drop over here, the 9 must also come to current. You see, the 9 must also come to. So that if you see the 9 on the line over here, just kindly bring 38 to current. So you add 38 to the numbers. Now the last number. What is the 56 doing over there? Here you saw double 6 on the line with the 38. Here you saw 86 on the line with the single 9. So again, double 6 and 66, double 6 and 86 are just ending 6 columns. So what do you do? Subtract the 56 from the double 6. This 56 from the double 6, you get 10. It must be your center boss winning number. Center boss winning number. So if you come and subtract this 56 from this 86, you get 30. It must be your center boss number. Folks, So if you see the 86 on the line over here, if you see the 86 on the line over here, you must come and use the double 6 here. So add double 6 to the numbers. You must come and use the double 6 over here. The interchange positions. Double 6 was here. Then there's 86 over here. This 56 from the double 6 gave you this 10 as center was. Alright. So this 56 from the 86 also give you 30 as center was over here. So if you see 86 over here, and the 9 and the 86 were on the line over here, and they move straight to this particular place, this particular event. So you must go and move 38. 38 double 6, 38 double 6. You must move them to the current. So that is the plan I have for today. Aseda, my banker is 12. My banker is 12. Last week our banker dropped. Today my banker is 12. My 2 short dropped today. 12 double 5 is my 2 short. 12 double 5 is my 2 short. You see, I would prefer another 2 short to be this. 38 double 6. 38 double 6. It's another 38 double 6 is another 2 short. My best 3 numbers should be 12 double 5 71. My best numbers is this 12. For the sake of those who want to screenshot, 12 double 5 71. 12 double 5 71. Then you take this 38 double 6 because of the 2 of them are coming from the same event. 38 double 6. 38 double 6. That one is too short. 12 double 5 is too short. You see, my best numbers is 12 double 5 71. 12 double 5 71. 12 double 5 71. It's my 3 direct. You see, then if you do all this, if you are done, add these 2 show 38 double 6 to the 3 numbers and pay heavily and get win and send me something this evening. I'm grateful for you. Subscribe, like, comment, share the videos I share on the platform. Recommend the platform to others. We are grateful for those who called and then encouraging my work. Thank you very much for the opportunity. I'm grateful. God is going to see us through. God bless all of you. It's another wonderful week. And tomorrow or Wednesday, I am putting my national on the platform. Tomorrow on Wednesday, my national is ready. What did I say? My national is ready. I've been so cool. 34. 34. I've been so cool. 34. I've been so cool. So tomorrow or Wednesday, you see my national on the platform. I'm grateful once again for coming your way with another wonderful plan. Let's hope for win today. Thank you very much.